Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. This video I'm going to show you how to build a simple clock in tkinter. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started into it. So import tkinter module first. As tk, import the daytime module to display our clock. Sorry. Import the daytime module also. So instantiate the roots, instantiate the tk dot tk inherit from tk class, and also make it not to be resizable. We perform the width is false and the height is also false. So also we define the geometry of it. The geometry, our own defined size, it should be 300 by 200. Should be in semicolon, and this should be by not that. So now define the geometry y. So let's say that's main loop now. So if you run the code, it won't show anything, but let's continue. Trying to define our title label. It should be inherit from the tk class, tk dot label. Also, we are showing it on the root frame, and the text should be equals to, let's say, my clock. So my clock, and the font should be, let's say, to take the font type, which is we are using Arial, and also font size we are using 20 here. So we say foreground equals red, and background, no, this is background, let's use the relief function, relief browns here, and then make it raised, standout. So we display it on screen here, on screen, by saying the x alone equals, let's just say 150, make it standard title. So now this is our function that is going to update our clock every 1 second. So we inherit from daytime dot, say daytime dot now. No, it should be dot now. Sorry, dot now. So this clock label will be tk dot label. Also display it on the roots, and the text will be date dot string every time. Let's see, I'm displaying the hour first, which is the I, which is 12 hours. Sorry, 12 hours. Also the M for minutes, and the X and S stand for seconds. So say the font equals, and then make the font size there, just need to black. Let's say font equals 20 also. Also change the foreground, so red, let's say blue, let's say blue. So it's display it here. Let's say root the title, clock the place it, let's say x equals 150, and y equals 100. So if run it now. Sorry, you have to run menu here. Find a menu here. So to run the code now. Log time. Let's try. You see what I'm saying here? So here's the clock, but we have to make it update after some seconds to make it update itself. So let's go into it. So make it to the center. So let's make it run. So to make it run after some seconds, let's change the background of our clock also. So we say the background equals, let's say, black. The foreground should be red also. Let's change it to red. So let's put this above a little bit more. So to make it update outside itself, we use the root dots after the main about this milliseconds, 1000 milliseconds, and the function to run after that is the main. So this should make everything work fine. Let's close this first. Sorry, need to close this and then run this. So simple mistake here. Should be clock, not clock. Yeah, well. I'm gonna make clock. Is that? Oh, sorry. Mistake here. This should be black. Sorry, not clock. So run this now. Yes, there is this. Our clock is updating itself. Let's make it bigger than this a little bit. So let's say, let's make it bigger a little bit. First, we just say, let's put this area also. Let's do it in front of area. And the font size also 20. It should be, let's put it 100 then. And then if we run it now, everything should work fine as expected. There you go. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. More videos coming soon. Thanks.